Gardening is said by evolutionists to be a very advanced activity. Supposedly, gardening developed only recently in human history, but if there is a creator, we would expect that he would have taught many kinds of creatures to care for plants or even trees. He even taught a fierce ant to care for the South American bull's horn acacia tree. While the ants don't need the tree for their survival, they do eat portions of it, but they never eat enough to cause damage to the tree. In fact, the ants protect their tree. They snip off vines that come too close to the tree. The ants are even aggressive enough to keep other insects or even birds and larger animals away from their tree. Researchers have removed the ants from some of these trees. Within 2 to 15 months, the tree is dead. Without the ants' care, animals eat off all the leaves, and surrounding plants overrun it. Who taught these ants to be gardeners? How could two so very different kinds of life develop such a close relationship? This results in a great mystery for evolution. Without ants, you couldn't evolve the tree, and without the tree, the ants couldn't learn to care for it. You can't get around it. Both were created fully formed, and the creator taught the ants how to care for the tree.